about repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a car that has a strip license plate bolt. Okay, I'm talking about this one right here. Okay, let me turn the light down a little bit. Check it out now. Okay, this bolt right here, this is a strip license plate bolt, and we'll explain how to, guys, remove and replace that one. Okay, check it out. It just turns and it doesn't come off. So how we're going to remove it, guys, it will be covered today. Most videos will be that way. Most cars, excuse me. So you can see that there is kind of like a bushing going inside the trunk lid. Okay, and sometimes they will corrode inside, or they will get stripped, or people will install the wrong one, and as a result, okay, those things will start spinning freely and you will not be able to remove it. Okay, you can see this is the sleeve right here, that sleeve. Check it out, it's right under the bolt how it's turning, so it cannot come off. So no matter what car you have, guys, the procedure will be like that. So let's go ahead and start on it now, guys. Our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos. So what we need to do, we need to open the trunk gate, okay, or hatch door, whatever you have. And usually you want to reach those bolts from the back side. Okay, so we'll need to remove that panel, okay, the hatch panel here, the whole thing, so we can reach that nut, okay, that sleeve, through the back side. So let's go ahead and do that now. So once you remove usually the panel, guys, on most cars, okay, you'll be able to reach, okay, the nuts through here, okay, through the back side. However, on this one, this is made out of fiberglass. Okay, that's plastic hatch door. So as a result, okay, some cars will have that piece, okay, will need to come off. You still need to remove the panel on the inside to remove that piece, because you can see this is the piece right here for the license plate, okay, and we'll need to start disassembling from here, and there are a few bolts on the inside usually as well. So you can see now on the outside we need to use a Torx 25 star looking bit in our case. Yours might be different depending on what model we have. We need to remove 4 screws that hold that trim together now. So we just removed 2 on this side, and we need to go to this side, remove 2 more, and we'll see what else we need to do. Okay, last one there. Hopefully it will come out so we can fix that damage. Okay, perfect. So in some cases, okay, you still not be able to reach. We just found out, okay, that this is one whole piece, and this one is actually glued from the inside. Let me show you quick now. Okay, if you come through here, okay, you're going to notice that this thing was glued from the inside when the thing was apart, so that makes it really inconvenient. What we need to do now, we'll start drilling some holes on the inside. Nobody will know about these holes, so we can reach the bolts. Okay, so we have the drill here, big drill. We'll be drilling one hole now. So you have to be careful not to go through the other side. You have to be extremely careful. It's a double plastic, so we need to just go through the first layer only. Okay, I need to get this one tight a little bit, it got loose. So let's do that now. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. So we'll get pliers now and we'll just make it a little bit wider now. It's fiberglass. You don't want to breathe that stuff in, guys, okay, so face mask and eye protection as well, because that thing is not good for you. Okay, and you can see right here inside, this is, guys, your nut. So now we need to hold it with the pliers and get it loose on the outside. So we'll hold the vice grips now, guys, okay, on this side, and we'll get it loose on the other side with the socket here now. So let's give it a try now. Okay, perfect. Okay, so usually this one, you can use epoxy on the inside and get it fixed, but in our case, okay, let me show you, the epoxy will not work because everything is stripped on the inside. The bolt goes all the way in. Check this thing out, it messes the bolts every time we put them in, so that definitely won't fix the problem. Stay with us guys and we'll show you how we're going to take care of it the smart way now, and it will cost us just a few dollars. So finally guys, we got the part and I'm going to show you what we are going to do. This is a BMW, okay, license plate holder. You can find out this one listed in the description of the video below guys. This one is super easy, convenient, and you don't have to worry about anything else. Okay, we'll show you how we're going to install this one in just a second. It comes with the plate holder, license plate holder. You can see it has the 4 holes right here where the license plate attaches. It has 2 extra holes. That's how BMWs are designed, most of them. And this one you just bolt it to the trunk lid. So it comes with all the hardware here, 4 bolts, 4 here and 2 screws. So let us show you how we're going to install it now. Okay, so we're going to align it with our holes up there. Check out how it hides everything. That thing is amazing. So we want to make sure that you align everything really good, everything looks straight, and when you are ready to go, we're going to drill 2 holes. So we have a smaller bit than the screw. This one is a little bit wider hole here. Okay, now we can remove it. And we're going to go ahead okay, and drill it. Perfect. Now, okay, let's wipe this thing, and we're going to go ahead and show you what to do now. Okay, so we can go ahead and get the 2 fatter screws are the ones, okay, for the middle, and they're the one, okay, that are a little bit longer as well. So we have the first one going, now the second one here. So we didn't drill wide enough holes because we want to be a little bit stronger, and that way water will not get in. You can actually apply a little bit of silicone glue as well. Okay, we're going to get the screwdriver now, the power screwdriver, and we're going to do those really quick and show you how good that thing is going to look, guys. It will be amazing. You can see that even with the damage there, it's not visible. So we're going to get the power screwdriver now, save us a little bit of time. Okay, perfect. One in, one more to go. Perfect. Now we can go ahead, okay, retighten them to double check everything. Amazing. And now we can just go ahead and install our license plate. It has 4 new bolts. Okay, I cannot get this one going. We need to move the plate a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to get those tight. Okay, and check it out, guys. That definitely fixed our problem, as you can see. Now, once we get it tight, I'm going to show you how sturdy that thing is. It's not going anywhere, so that's definitely a fix for our car here, and definitely something I would recommend. Check it out. It's amazing. It's not going anywhere. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if the video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.